In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. Sometimes you might be connected to a Wi-Fi connection that you know have internet access, or might be using another device and it's working. But when you try to use it on your PC, it will show this interface, no internet. For example, let's try to open Instagram. We've clicked on Instagram and it's saying no internet, connecting the system admin, checking proxy address, and so on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set this up so that you can browse and access the internet with your computer. Firstly, let's close or minimize this window. Then we head over to the Windows search bar and search for control panel. As you can see here, this is the control panel. Then we head over to open the control panel. Then after that, we select network and internet. Then we select internet options after network and internet. Then another pop-up tab will appear. Then we head over to connections. Then we move over to LAN settings. In this LAN settings, you see two types of configuration. You'll see the proxy server and the automatic configuration. All you have to do is to uncheck the proxy server, then check or select the automatic detect settings under the automatic configuration. Then we select OK and OK. When you're done with that, head over to your Windows search and search for control panel again. Then you select the control panel and you head over to network and internet. This time you are clicking on network sharing center. Then at the right hand side, you see the internet you're connected to. The internet connection, if it's Wi-Fi or it's LAN network. For me, it's a Wi-Fi network. Then you click on it. Then head over to properties. Then you look for internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. The TCP IPv4 is in a bracket. For my own, you can see it's written in China. Some of them are written in China, but if you look closely, you see the internet still in English. Then you still see the TCP IPv4. That's the one you select. You double click. Then after that, you check if there's any manual DNS server selected or any manual IP address selected. My own, there's no manual IP address selected, is on automatic. So you have to select automatic on both obtain an IP address and obtain a DNS server. Make sure it's on automatic. The blue check mark should be on automatic, as you can see here. Then after that, you head over to OK and click on OK, then click on OK again. Then after that, you head over back to your browser and refresh the page if your internet connection will work. For my own, as you can see, the internet connection is now working very fine. If this first method did not work for you, another way to go about it is to head over to your Windows menu. You click the power button there, then you click on restart to restart your PC. Sometimes when you restart your PC, your internet connection will start working, but not all the time. So that's it. If this video helps, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video and drop a comment. And if you're still experiencing network issues after trying this, let me know in the comment section. I'll drop another video on how to troubleshoot and fix. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.